Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to recover a deleted account. If an account has been accidentally deleted, or if we want to restore access, we will go through the steps and explore what options are available on the Canva dashboard. For example, if an account has been accidentally deleted, here is what to do. To recover the account, we simply need to log back in. This will restore the account as long as it has not been permanently deleted. We need to make sure not to wait more than 14 days to log back in. If more than 14 days pass and we try to log in, the account will not be recovered and will be permanently deleted. All we have to do is log back in, enter the email and password, and we will be able to access and recover the Canva account. Just keep in mind that recovery may not always be possible after a certain period, so it is important to act quickly.